Hi guys, I'm back with my another makeup tutorial. In this video, I'll be recreating Leena Bhushan's signature look. So let's get started. So very first, I'll be using an eye primer of Forever 52. Spread your primer with light hand. It really sets your eye makeup last long. Now I'm using a Forever 52 concealer as my base. Dab it nicely into your skin. Here I'm using a Forever 52 eyeshadow palette. So I'll be taking a bronze shade and blend it nicely over the eyelids. Now I'll be taking a shimmery shadow and apply over my eyelids. You can also apply with the brush. Now I'll be using a Forever 52 eyebrow pencil to fill up my eyebrows. You guys can also check out my separate eyebrow makeup tutorial. Now I'll be using a Swiss Beauty primer as my base. Spread it evenly. Here I'm using the same concealer palette from Forever 52. Dab your concealer nicely. After that, I'll be applying my foundation. So I'll be using the same Forever 52 concealer palette for highlighting my face. Dab it nicely. Now I'll be using a loose powder for setting up my base. Here I am contouring my face. Apply some blusher. Enhance your eyes with a mascara. Apply bronze shades over the lower lids. You can also apply some pressed glitters over the eyelids. Now apply some highlighter over the cheekbones, forehead, over the lips, chin, nose, and complete your makeup with the lipstick. And you are ready to flaunt. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.